Hello students, so today we are going to learn the types of chemical reactions. First is combination reaction. Reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form one product are called combination reaction. For example, A plus B, it gives us AB. Magnesium plus O2 gives us 2MgO, which is in solid form. So here magnesium is in a solid form and oxygen is in the gaseous form. Then second is decomposition reaction. Reaction in which one compound decomposes in two or more compounds or elements are known as decomposition reaction. For example, in this AB gives us A plus B. In this, compounds decomposes to form two or more compounds or elements. It breaks the complex into easy. For example, CaCO3, which is in a solid form, heats and gives CaOSO4 plus CO, which is in a CO2, which is in a gaseous form. Then third one is thermal composition. The decomposition of a substance on heating is known as thermal decomposition reaction. You can see the example. Then next is electrolysis decomposition. Reactions in which compounds decompose into simpler compounds because of passing of electricity is known as electrolysis decomposition. Here you can see the example. Next, photolysis, photo decomposition reaction. Reaction in which a compound decomposes because of sunlight is known as photolysis reaction, decomposition reaction. Here you can see the example. Next is displacement reaction. Reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from a compound, also called substitution or a single displacement reaction. For example, A plus BC gives AC plus B. Here A replaces B because it's more reactive than B. If B would have been more reactive, reaction would not have then taken place. Here you can see these two examples. The next one is double displacement reaction. Reaction in which ions are exchanged between two reactants forming new compounds are called double displacement reaction. Here you can see the examples. Now, since a precipitate is formed, it is also known as precipitation reaction. Here you can see the example. Next is neutralization reaction. Reaction in which an acid reacts with base to form salt and water by exchange of ions is known as neutralization reaction. Here you can see the example. Next is oxidation and reduction. It's really important, so listen it carefully and try to understand it. Oxidation, addition of oxygen or non-metallic element or removal hydrogen from a compound is called oxidation. Next, reduction, addition of hydrogen on a metallic element or removal of oxygen from compound is called reduction. An oxidizing agents, substance which gives oxygen for oxidation or removes hydrogen. Next is reducing agent, substance which gives hydrogen for reduction or removes oxygen. Then it's redox reaction, a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Here you can see the example. Next is exothermic and endothermic reaction. First, exothermic. Exothermic reactions which produce energy are called exothermic reactions. Most decomposition reactions are exothermic. For example, respiration is a decomposition reaction in which energy is released. Here you can see the example. When quicklime is added to water, it releases energy. So here also you can see the examples. Then it's endothermic reaction. Reaction in which energy is absorbed is known as endothermic reaction. Then the effects of oxidation reaction in everyday life is divided in two categories: corrosion and rancidity. It comes in a one mark questions form in the example, so do it carefully. Then next is explanation of the both different things which drawn above. Corrosion, an undesirable change that occur in metals when they are attacked by moisture, air, acids and bases. Like for example, we can take a live example of rusting of iron. Then it is an redox reaction. Methods to prevent rusting: by painting we can prevent rusting, by greasing or oiling the object we can prevent rusting, and also by galvanization we can prevent rusting. Then read corrosion of copper and silver from your NCRT book. You can get all the information of these two, copper and silver, in your NCRT book itself. So next is rancidity, undesirable change that takes place in oil containing food items due to the oxidation of fatty acids. Now we can prevent rancidity by these following methods: adding antioxidants to food, we can prevent rancidity; by storing food in the airtight container, we can prevent rancidity; flushing out air with nitrogen gas and refrigeration. Then that's it. Okay, goodbye. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. So, stay tuned. Bye.